guys, so welcome to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Kristen and today I'm going to be doing some fall DIYs. Probably doing fall DIYs until like mid-October at the latest, maybe a little bit farther down. I don't know, because Thanksgiving is in November, but the next month is Christmas in December. So I don't know, you guys. What do you guys think? Like, how do you feel about that? Like, how early is too early? Because when we go to like the Dollar Tree, say that's where we buy our products, we want to buy them like ahead of time because the stores like bring them out super early. I don't know, but fall is gonna be going on till at least mid-October, hopefully. If I can wait that long, unless I come up with some like awesome Christmas idea that has to come out in September. I don't know, probably not. I'm not even there yet. But anyways, you guys, I also want to thank Arteza for sponsoring this video. I have worked with them a few times in the past and I am really excited and thrilled about showing you guys these products. I have not tried them, so if you guys haven't seen some of the products I have used, I'll leave those links in the description box if you do want to check them out. I kind of just reviewed their products as I go, but I was so like, I haven't done anything with like chalkboards in a really long time. They sent over some chalkboard self-adhesive. I am super excited about this just because I have not used anything. I haven't used something like this in a really long time. And I always think like Christmas and fall always have those really fun like chalkboards, and like, I don't know, I don't have the best handwriting to do like awesome chalkboards, but I'm probably gonna try because why not? So this is a self-adhesive. I'm trying to figure out how big it is. Not sure. You just get one big giant thing. I'll leave links so you guys will be able to check that out. But I'm really excited about using this, and this is what my DIYs are obviously going to be around, is maybe some chalkboards, maybe some other stuff too. Honestly, you guys, I haven't even started my DIYs, so I have some ideas. So that's why I can't be like, yes, I'm doing this. No, I have no idea, because look, it's not even open yet. So I can't tell you that, yeah, this is gonna be really good, and who knows. They also sent me over some liquid metallic chalk markers. These ones are metallic. I have metallic paints from them, and I kept wondering like what I was gonna do with them, and I'm coming up with all kinds of stuff. So you guys will see me use their paints. I really like them. I think they cover pretty well, so super happy about those. Obviously I'll just talk about those in different videos. They also sent me this 42 liquid chalk markers. These are for, oh, they're washable, unique colors, cool. I don't even know why I don't like open stuff up and look, but these are like $42 or $43, which I think that is a killer deal because I just seen a 4-pack for $14 at Hobby Lobby the other day. So I hope these work really well. I love all the colors. I think that is super cool. They also sent me over some letterboard letters. I have actually used these without showing them. I will have these in a different video. I won't be using these in this exact video, but these are pretty fun. They're kind of plasticky. I don't know if I love these, but I don't hate them. And the last thing that they sent over was a 6-pack of frames. So they are black and they're a little bit distressed on the sides. And I feel really bad for taking out the animal pictures and putting different pictures in. So they sent me like 6 of these. The lion one is really cute, but I have to show you guys like my favorite little picture. I don't know if I can even take it out. Look at this. It's a little buffalo. I'm almost positive. It looks like a little cow, but I'm pretty sure it's a buffalo. It's adorable. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna be doing here in a little bit. So anyways, you wanna check any of this stuff out, links in the description box below. So the first DIY I'm gonna be doing is a wreath. So you'll need this wreath form from the Dollar Tree. I have a roll of burlap from Burlap Fabric, and I'm just gonna be taking the burlap and hot gluing it to the wreath, and then I'm just going to be wrapping it around. So if you guys haven't seen a lot of my wreaths lately, this is what I do just because I like to cover the wreath form, and then I just like to add details and embellishments and flowers and whatever like that to the wreath. And if the burlap shows, it's totally okay because burlap is beautiful. And when the burlap is wrapped all the way around, I just take some hot glue and glue the end. And then now I'm just taking all of these long floral picks from the Dollar Tree. I think I bought all these last year and I never used them, and I really want to. The pine cones came from Walmart last year, 24 cents a bag. I know pine cones are free, but I can't find the small chubby ones anywhere, so I need the little cute small chubby ones. So anyways, you guys, I'm just going to be adding everything and then just adding and then adding, and I don't really have a rhyme or reason. I just thought I'd start with the pumpkins because they were the biggest ones, and I'm just taking some hot glue and gluing them all around. It is totally okay that you can see the end of the stems. I know it's not pretty and there's hot glue everywhere, but once you start adding things in, it all goes away and it gets covered, and that is just the magical part of doing wreaths. I really had no other idea what to do with these little pumpkin picks. I think I actually just threw them in a mason jar or a vase. Probably not a mason jar because they're small, but a big, long vase. And I just don't really like them. It doesn't really go with my decor, but I think everything looks really good together in a wreath, and I don't mind hanging all different kinds of wreaths around my house. I also had this eucalyptus. It's probably not my favorite, and I probably wish I wouldn't have added it, but I didn't know what else to do with it, so I thought I would just add it, and it looks cute, and I can't say I don't like it, but I wish I wouldn't have added it, if that makes any sense. And then the rest of the empty spots, I'm just going to be adding these pine cones in. I love adding pine cones. I just think it's so fall. So fall, is that even a thing? It is super, super so fall, adding these pine cones, but I like that it covers really, really well, and it can be like the end of your wreath making journey. And you guys, for those of you who already watched this, thank you for watching it again. I don't know what happened. I accidentally deleted the video. I cannot believe I did that. Never in my life have I deleted a video before. So that was just, I don't even know what I was thinking. I was crazy, I suppose. So the voiceover is totally different, and I hope you guys enjoyed that. And I switched up the DIYs around just so it didn't seem like the same video. So if you are rewatching it, thank you so much. And this is what the wreath looks like when it is all done. I absolutely love it, and you guys can see that some of the burlap is showing, but it looks so pretty anyway, so it doesn't even matter. But I really love how full this wreath looks with all the pumpkins and the picks, and it probably cost me about 10 bucks to make, which I think that is a great deal. You guys, shop after the seasons because you can get some really great deals on picks and everything like that. So check out Walmart. I'm telling you, I got tons of stuff for like 24 cents. I'm just using the remaining of the pine cones, and I already clipped all these picks, already cut them down, and I didn't want to waste them. So I just took a vase from the Dollar Tree, added pine cones, and then added the rest of my cut up picks. And I really love how this vase turned out. I love the floral in here, and I love that it matches the wreath. And you guys, if you get so overwhelmed with having all kinds of stuff in your house, just start making wreaths and floral arrangements. I can tell you right now that you will start using up all your stuff.
Saw your name on my phone, yeah. 3 o'clock in the morning. We've been going and going back and forth because we don't know better. And I thought we'd be different. Yeah, we were on.
And the final DIY is this dollar picture frame that I got from a garage sale. They actually use a bunch of calendar printouts on the inside of this frame. You can tell it's old because it has the staples. It just reminded me of, like, I don't know, the 90s possibly. I don't know why. But you guys, anyways, I'm just going to be taking some Waverly chalk paint and plaster. And I had to do 2 coats of this. And I love the way this turned out. I'm sorry my camera is not focusing right. It just didn't have anything to focus on, especially with the white foam board that I have laying on top. Yep, I used foam board.
To some good shit. We keep dancing with the devil, but he doesn't have a back, no. Should be pulling away from the fire. Should go, but I don't even try. Gone in the deep end tonight.
And next I'm going to be taking the chalkboard adhesive and just adding it to the cardboard. I didn't realize until after I bought this that it didn't come with glass, but I'm so glad I didn't use glass because I can reuse this, and if it does fall off the wall, I don't know why it would fall off the wall, but I guess if it fell off the wall it wouldn't break first off, but this is so much easier to redo for all the seasons, and I absolutely love it. This was really easy to put on, although I did have issues because I'm using like a frame. So the cardboard obviously isn't as even, so I did have like some dents and a little, so you can kind of see like the frame indentation. So that's why you'll see that once I start using the chalk markers that I did like a little frame with the chalkboard markers. So I thought scissors was key. No. Arteza also sent me a rotary blade and a rotary, not a rotary cutter, a rotary blade, rotary cutter. And they sent me a cutting mat. And I love this, and I always forget about it. And then after I start doing something silly, I know I have this, and I know everyone is going to say you need to use this the opposite way of what you are, but I don't know how people can even use it that way. I can't do it, you guys. I'll just cut my leg off. I won't cut my leg off, but I just can't do it that way. You guys, these chalk markers are absolutely incredible, and I think the price for them is amazing. So it comes with all these chalkboard labels, which is awesome because those are already expensive. Sometimes you can get a 6-pack for like $5. It comes with extra tips and the tweezers, so if they do get dull, you can just reuse those. I thought that was super cool too. I've never seen something like that, so I was really, really thrilled. So I'm starting out with just the white chalk marker. I know, plain old me, but I was kind of on Pinterest looking up ideas. I didn't know how to make something look right on a chalkboard, so I just took a bunch of different ideas. Like, I didn't copy anything, but I did try to, I don't know, I just needed some inspiration, you guys. So you will see my phone in hand because I really did need some help because I've never actually did a chalkboard before, or a decorating or a seasonal chalkboard. Never done one of those before. And now I'm just writing out Hello Fall. I decided to freehand all of this because, not that I was in a hurry or anything, but my daughter was at school, so I had about 2 hours to make a chalkboard, and it probably took me quite a while because, I don't know, it just took me a while. I was really enjoying my time alone. But the best part about this is I did mess up really bad, and you guys see that I did wipe it away. Super easy to wipe away. You just need water and a piece of paper towel. I thought that was awesome. And then now I'm just taking these metallic chalk markers, which these are incredible. The camera does not do justice on how awesome these are. And I'm just like kind of doing some decorating. I'm making some leaves. I'm having a really good time. Tonight, I just wanna love you. 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 Now you're making it so hard. Now you're making it so hard. Boy, you know you're making it so hard, so hard, so hard. I tried to replace you, tried to give up on you, but I can't. You know I can't. And then once the frame was dry, I just took a little bit of sandpaper and distressed the edges, and I am so glad I did this. I love the way this turned out. And for $1 to garage sale, like, what a steal on a picture frame. Like, they're so expensive anywhere else, and I feel like sometimes I always like to go to Dollar Tree and buy frames. Why do we do that? Why don't we just go thrifting and buy some really cheap frames? So that is what I did, and love the way the chalkboard turned out. I am so happy with it. I ended up hanging it in my craft room because I had an empty spot. If you guys didn't see my craft room clean with me video, make sure you guys check that out. You'll see that there was an empty spot on my wall, and this just fit perfect. Absolutely love this, and I highly, highly, highly recommend the chalkboard adhesive and the markers. The markers are amazing. Alright, you guys, that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you have already watched this, thank you for watching it a second time. Also, thank you again to Arteza for sponsoring this video once again. I absolutely am so fond of their products. I absolutely love them. So make sure you check them out in the links below. And if you're new to my channel, I would love if you hit that subscribe button down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Saw your name on my phone, yeah. You only call when you want it. Baby, gotta be honest. You know my body never known better. It's like an upgraded business.